Hey, Tom from Makerpad here, and in this series of tutorials or videos, we're going to actually talk about Zapier and the basics. So, what is Zapier, how to use it, what are actions and triggers, and then how to go about connecting some of the apps that you work with every day to start automating your work. So, to start with, what is Zapier? So, Zapier is, in essence, something that connects one app to another. So when something happens in one app, do something in another. A good example of this is if you have an email come into your Gmail account and that email has an attachment, and you also use Dropbox or Google Drive to save things in, maybe you're sharing them with the team, maybe you want to automatically take that attachment and then save it into Google Drive. This is usually a manual task which takes a lot of time, but with Zapier you can connect together Gmail with Dropbox or Google Drive, take that attachment and then save it into that folder. Also, you'll be able to then send a notification to your team to let them know that it's there. This is one thing that you could do with Zapier, and this applies to thousands of apps. So I think there is over 1,000 apps connected to Zapier. So there is a high chance of any of the apps that you use in your day-to-day work, you'll be able to connect together with Zapier. That's an overview. Now let's dive into how to build your first Zap.